1 mass of sodium hydroxide is required to prepare 250 milliliter of what 0.2 molarity solution. What mass? If you are asked to calculate mass, the formula you are going to use that is very simple is you say solution mass is equals to molarity. Are you there? Multiplied by volume. The volume must be in liter, that is dm cubed, multiplied by molar mass. By that we have gotten our answer. So we are going to find the molar mass. The molar mass of what? Sodium hydroxide. Na is equals to what? 23. Oxygen is equals to what? 16. That is the atomic mass of it. Hydrogen is equals to what? 1. So if we add the whole of this one, add 23 by 6 by 1, give you what? Give us 40. So mass now will be equals to, what is your molarity? Molarity, what is it? Is say what? 0.2 multiplied by, what is your volume? Volume is given in milliliter, so you need to convert it into what? Liter. By what? Dividing it by what? 1000. So we say 250 divided by what? 1000 multiplied by 40. Do you get that? Mass is equals to 0.2. If you divide this one by this one, will give us what? Times 0.25 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 40. So mass now will be equals to what? Will be equals to 2. You don't need to waste time. So our correct option is what? 2 grams. Very